Hi everybody, welcome back. You are in for a treat today. So I am going to have my husband voice over a painting that you have never seen. Now, you have never seen it because I personally did not like the color of the satin enamel that I put around the outside. I felt like it was a little too pink. And you did see the one that I redid with the beautiful deep dark berry color with the fire color swipe through the center. So that is the painting. Now, when I do these videos with my husband, he does not know what painting, colors, technique I'm going to do. I am not in the room with him. He sits in my office by himself and does the voiceover, and I don't tell him any direction, anything at all. So what you're gonna hear are his true thoughts on this painting. I can't wait to hear it. I always laugh and I need to laugh. So I am super excited to film this one with him, and he always does such a good job and he's always such a good sport. So I wanted to thank him. I also wanted to let you know I have not been posting as many videos because I chose to do one other art show. It was a spur of the moment thing. I got accepted and I will be at next weekend, so March 8th and 9th, I will be at the Juno Beach Artfest by the Sea. It's a Howard Allen show. So I am super happy about that. I will put the information down in the description. If you live in my area, hopefully you can come by and see me. I will email out the booth number on my email list. So if you haven't gone over to mollysartistry.com to check that out, please do. You can sign up. I send out like weekly tips and tricks and when I'm doing shows and courses and things like that. So hope that you enjoy this video. Hope that you know I love you all. Happy painting and enjoy.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Let's get crazy here. Let's get some color crazy. Let's get some nice black. What we'll do is just put a circle and do four little lines like that. We'll get some red, beautiful red. Good red. Primary color. Oh, we're gonna do our primary colors. Well, that's our secondary color. We'll do some red and orange like that. Perfect. So what we want to do now is we'll grab a little yellow. We'll go into the orange like that. Perfect. Beautiful. So I think I'm going to add a little more red. What we'll do is we're going to just fill in that gap right there where the black was showing. And well, maybe I'll get some, do a little orange on the other side. There we go. Just fill in that black. Perfect. We'll heat this up. Get some stuff going on there. Heat it everywhere around the edges and all that. Okay, this is going to be great. So let me think here. There we go. Pink. One of my favorite colors. It's beautiful. We'll just go around the edges. We don't really want to touch the paint to the black, but it's okay if you do. Eventually it's all going to touch. Here we go. Kind of like reminds you of cotton candy at the circus. It's been a while since I had cotton candy. So now we're going to do a swipe here. Nice and easy. Just a wave swipe. Nice and easy. You can see those beautiful. See those cells forming and stuff. But what we'll do, just let it, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. So we'll swipe like that. Just a little swipe. Here we go. We'll come around like that. Nice and easy. You don't want to rush too much. Just feel the energy, Feel it. Perfect. Okay. Sometimes you do that, do some squigglies. I'm going to heat some stuff up like that. Heat it up. Heat up that cotton candy. Back and forth, back and forth. So now, let's pick that out of there. I don't know what that is. We don't want that. Could have been a cat hair or something. So let's put them. We're gonna make sure you put some gloves on. We're getting ready now. We're getting ready. Serious time. Here we go. Okay, so be very careful. We're gonna go to the left, top left. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Woo. Now remember, I'm gonna recycle that paint for some other stuff that we do. Here we go. Perfect. Perfect. So we'll put that down nice and gently. I got 2 cotton candy balls up there. This is great. Okay, here we go. Nice and easy. Easy does it. Perfect. We'll go down like that. Just, I want to leave a little, the pinks mixing up. It's looking nice. Here we go. Here we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, to the right. Perfect. Perfect. Just a little more. There we go. Okay. Place that down like that. Okay, nice and easy, nice and easy. Let's see. Let me think. Let's see here. Let's see here. Well, you know what? I'm gonna just do a little more. Just a teeny. Just a teeny. I'm kind of a perfectionist here. Okay. Nice and easy. I think I like that one. But you know what? Oh, I do. Yeah, it's looking nice. Just do little swiggly. There we go. These are the finishing touches that you can do. I do them a lot. You don't have to do them, but whatever you like. That is so beautiful. That turned out perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at those cells. I love the pinks with the oranges and the yellows. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at those reds with the black. Unbelievable. Very nice. Beautiful. Well, thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate it. I think I'm going to go get some cotton candy and stuff. So I love y'all and happy painting.